What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. A very nice E46 M3 behind me, because today the development system goes on for testing. Right now the customer has, it's all stock header, stock section 1, stock section 2, and then we have a Group M replica system you said on here? All right, so we're gonna get some revs right now to give you guys what it sounds like before the Valvetronic setup, and we'll show you what it sounds like after. Sounds fruity, but could use some assistance. This is our new development system for the E46. We're gonna be using this for sound testing purposes, but also for fitment as well. This muffler casing we're gonna be cutting this in half and then reducing the size to help reduce the weight in the rear. And we're swapping this over to a vacuum valve configuration as well. And just doing a couple more things, rounding this off here and improving the flow section here as well. But this is gonna be running 3 inches inside the muffler and then right out, coming across to our signature 4-inch tips for the E46 M3 platform. So gonna get this in, get this installed, and get you guys some sound clips. All right, guys, so we got the original exhaust that was on the car off. This is, again, not the factory exhaust. This is a Group M replica exhaust. Under here, though, gonna show you guys how everything mounts up. 1 hanger on this side, 2 hangers on this side, and the rest of the exhaust, as stated before, is all stock. No headers, no midsection. Get this put on, and we'll show you the sound clips in a bit. Thank you guys so much for enjoying this E46 M3 project. It's something that we've been super excited about over the past 6 months of development. So stay tuned. These are going to be live and available for order on our website very soon. Thanks for watching.